Hello and welcome to your global software industry briefing for Sunday, April 19th, 2026. Yesterday, we explored the frontiers of biological data storage. Today, the industry has pivoted sharply toward quantum classical hybridization and cryptographic agility. As the first commercially viable 256-qubit error-corrected systems go online, the software world is racing to deploy runtimes that can seamlessly switch between traditional and quantum processing mid-execution. For the full news, please check the links in the video description. Let's dive in. First in M&A, Alphabet finalized the purchase of QLink for $1.85 billion, a leader in quantum-to-classical interface middleware. This will be integrated into Google Cloud Quantum to bridge the latency gap when offloading classical tasks to quantum processors. Salesforce acquired CipherShift for $420 million to automate the migration of customer encryption keys to post-quantum cryptography standards. And Intel integrated Logic Gate Bio, signaling a deeper convergence of traditional hardware and biological computing. In workforce news, IBM announced a 3% reduction in its mainframe division while simultaneously hiring 750 quantum algorithm translators. Cloudflare confirmed a 1% realignment, pivoting toward PQC migration consultants to help government clients transition to quantum-resistant protocols. Demand for quantum classical full-stack developers has surged by 85% this week, triggering a hiring wave across the Silicon Valley quantum strip. For AI breakthroughs, OpenAI demonstrated a prototype of GPT-6 running on a hybrid architecture, achieving zero-latency reasoning on complex logic puzzles. Google DeepMind unveiled AlphaQ-Route, a new AI optimizer that determines in real-time whether code should run on a CPU, GPU, or QPU for maximum efficiency. Meta released PyTorch Quantum 2.0, allowing developers to train small-scale quantum neural networks on standard GPUs using emulation. Product launches saw Microsoft move its Azure Quantum Classical Hybrid Cloud Runtime to general availability. One script can now trigger both classical and quantum logic. NVIDIA launched Blackwell QSDK, specifically designed for Blackwell chips to act as classical accelerators for leading quantum computers. And GitHub launched Copilot for Q#, an AI assistant capable of identifying qubit decoherence risks before deployment. In strategic collaborations, NVIDIA and Honeywell launched the Quantum Foundry to create quantum digital twins of chemical reactions. Apple and TSMC formed a Silicon Quantum Pact to design hybrid NPUs for quantum-resistant encryption on future iPhone chipsets. The Linux Foundation started Project Post-Quantum, a global initiative to create an open-source library of verified quantum-resistant ciphers. Security alerts are high as CrowdStrike issued a warning regarding shoring attacks using early quantum compute to break legacy RSA keys. Transitioning is now an immediate priority. Cloudflare updated its WAF with an entropy filter to detect malicious traffic that uses perfect randomness to bypass pattern recognition. Finally, the entanglement drift bug is causing ghost logic in common quantum libraries, where bits are incorrectly flipped in the classical stack. That's your global software industry briefing for April 19th, 2026. Stay agile, stay secure, and we'll see you tomorrow.